What's up?
What's up?
Bakit
Malaki gala. Ngayon pa lang kami nagising. Good morning, but 11 o'clock now. My husband is thinking. Di ko alam kung ano yung tinitink niya kasi gusto namin lalabas. Pero di namin alam kung saan kami pupunta. Kaya think muna. Okay mga higala? Ano muna ako sa bed namin. So mga higala, ito na, nakabihis na ako. Tapos yung hubby ko nasa car na. So yun, pupunta na kami mga higala. Pupunta kami sa Hermanos. Siguro doon na kami magla-lunch. Kasi anong oras na? Late kami na gising today. Kasi si hubby wala namang work.
This is Clarence Drive. I'm driving the car as I'm doing this video. We are on our way to Hermanus, but we're going to do the scenic route all along the drive. We will show you a part of the route as we go. We'll go to Royals, Pringle Bay, etc. And we will stop now to do a little video of False Bay. We have Somerset West and Gordons Bay in the background, and as we're going to pan around, we are going to look at the whole False Bay area.
Para makita nyo higala.
Of course, Gordons Bay, going around all the way, you can see Strand with the tall buildings. Strand over there with the tall buildings, and we will go right around the bay into Table Mountain, the back part of Table Mountain, going all the way to Simonstown.
Nandito na naman kami mga higala. See? Hi! Ang ganda talaga mga higala.
That behind us, as we turn, is going to be Kochel Bay. Come, let's go. Let's run with it. You see that beach behind? That beautiful beach behind is Kochel Bay.
Kochel Bay.
For camping and
It's
for
Kochel Bay.
camping, Kochel Bay, and it's camping and picnic area.
Nice mga higala, di ba? As in mga higala. Ang ganda.
You're going swimming later, huh? Your costume with?
No.
Alright folks, we're going to carry on a little bit. We'll do more videos as we go along.
Yeah.
We'll do videos right up to Hermanus and maybe even Gansbaai.
Yeah.
We'll do the shark cage diving.
So mga higala, ito yung Seasides Village. Yeah. Daming mga houses mga higala, oh. Maganda din dito. Tapos may restaurant din. Pero mostly yung nakatira dito mga mayayaman.
Get that mountain in with a house.
Yeah. Maganda
Very nice.
dito.
Folks, this is mostly for holiday houses, but permanent residents do stay here, but people come here from Cape Town over weekends, that type of thing.
Ito yun mga higala, oh. Yan. Tapos nakita yung restaurant. Yan mga higala.
This is Pringle Bay. It's a little seaside village, mostly holiday makers, but there are permanent residents as well.
Stop na naman kami dito mga higala. See, nakita nyo mga higala? Yan. May small supermarket dito, lahat-lahat na restaurant.
Little gift shops.
Yeah. Ito. So yan mga higala. So next na naman mga higala kasi naghanap kami din ng restaurant na makainan, pero ano lang muna, travel muna. Kami dito kami sa picnic area. Picnic area C.
We're in a picnic area just next to the Palmeet River. I've actually didn't know about this. It's the first time I've actually discovered that you can actually picnic here. It's really great, and man, I will come and barbecue.
So nakita niyo yan mga higala, may nagpipiknik. Oh. May nagpipiknik.
Hi there. We are just heading off to Palmet Bridge. Over my shoulder, you can see a lot of people having a barbecue. They're enjoying themselves.
So, naglakad kami mga higala para makita nyo.
Yeah, we're heading towards the bridge. We'll get to the bridge now.
Yeah.
This bridge, many people, especially young people, love to jump off this bridge and into the river. Beauty of the Western Cape and the Overberg area. Sorry, we put a mask on again because we're walking around in an unpopulated area, but you never know if you can get stopped and told, where's your mask, okay? I think we need to go to that side, capture that part, that beauty of, look at that beautiful river.
So yan mga higala, oh. Tignan nyo.
The Palmet River.
Tignan nyo mga higala. Ang ganda.
Blowing on the Palmet River Bridge, and of course you just saw the Palmet River. It being winter in South Africa, the river is flowing a lot faster. And many young people jump off this bridge and into this river. This is called the Overberg area, called the Overberg, known as the Overberg area. It's a lot of what they call Western Cape nature conservation area. A lot of fynbos. You will always see beautiful flowers, but to what looks like normal bush to everybody else, there's many different species of plants growing in this part of the world. Proteas. This over here is South Africa's national flower. It's called a protea. They're not blooming at the moment.
Sa Klienmond.
This is Klienmond. We're going to go and eat something now. Well, we're going to look at what they've got to eat, but this is where we're going for lunch.
So ito yung Klienmond mga higala. Ito yung restaurant. So yan yung labas mga higala. Ito, dami ding tao kumakain. So ito yung loob mga higala. Nag-order pa yung sabi ko ng food.
Hungry.
I'm both hungry.
I ordered MR.sa, I ordered grilled chicken wings, and I ordered grilled battered onion rings.
So mga higala, ito na yung food namin. Papas na naman. Kain muna kami mga higala. We are finished. Again, busog na naman. Thanks God. So, mga higala.
We're going home. My tummy is full. I'm a happy camper, okay? I'm going over a pass now. It's called Salauri's Pass. I need to pay attention. Mahigela, I hope you guys enjoyed our little travel vlog today.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell, mga higala. So that's all for today. Bye-bye.